You know those fittings that just do their job without giving you hard time? This is the one. The Parker GE06LMEDOMDCF. It's a male-stop hydraulic fitting built for high-pressure work up to 500 bar. You've got a 6 mm tube, M10 times 1 thread, and a compact design that fits right into tight space. Say you are setting up a compact manifold or rebuilding a control block on a mobile unit. This fitting connects clean, lock tight, and hold steady. No leaks, no second guessing. Made from zinc-plated steel, it handles corrosion and aggressive media like a champ. Whether you are in automotive, energy, mobile equipment, or oil and gas, it may be small, but it's exactly the kind of parts that keep a hydraulic system solid. Need it? Go to www.offshoredimensionsparkerstore.com or call us at 090-9482-1645 or email us at sales@offshoredimensions.com today. Thank you.